In this video, we'll see the wireless devices in Packet Tracer. Let's check the below toolbar and see the wireless devices. As you can see, there are access points, 3 access points, and a wireless router. Let's build these topologies. And for access point, I will also use a server, and I will use some other wireless devices here. As you can see, the wireless tablet is connected to the access point, but for PC I need to add a wireless interface card and then connect to the access point. But firstly we need to configure the server, and I will also connect this server and access point. Let's configure the server. It will be our DHCP pool also. In the config tab, pass the terminals 0 part. I will give an IP address here and some mask. It's okay, and I will configure the DHCP part also. It's okay. And now let's check the tablet IP address. When I click tablet, you can see that it gets the IP address. And now I will connect the PC, the access point. Firstly, I need to add a model, a wireless model, this one. Do not forget to power down and power on the device. And here in PC wireless settings, you can select here, and as you can see there's a default access point here, and the default is the SSID of this access point. You can also see here the SSID is default. Yes, now we are connected here, and let's check our IP address. Yes, as you can see, you got the IP address 10003. Let's add another access point with different SSID. For example, we can arrange it as ABC123. Okay, and we will connect this to another server here. And again we will configure the server. And I will enable the DHCP again. And now when I add a wireless device with SSID default, it will connect to the access point 1. And when I add a wireless device with SSID ABC123, it will connect to the access point 3. Let's see. I'll select a wireless device. For example, this laptop can be, and I'll configure it. Firstly, we need to add a module again, a wireless module here. Yes. We need to power on the device. And now we also need to configure the SSID, because as you can see it is by default. The SSID is default, so it's connected to the access point 1. So I'll change it as ABC123. Yes. Now as you can see it is corrupted and connected again access point 1, not 0. Here we can also do this with the wireless router. Let's check wireless router, and firstly let's check the configuration of this router. As you can see, it's the physical wheel. There's a configuration part, there's settings, internet settings, LAN settings, and wireless settings. In this wireless settings, you can see the SSID, and in the GUI, there's a different GUI, as you can see. There are some different tabs. The first one is the setup part. You can enable this server here or disable here, and you can add the IP address block here. There is a wireless part. You can select the network mode here. As you can see, there are some different standards, wireless standards, and you can select other selections here. Anti-security and access restrictions are not related in this video, and there is also application and gaming part. In administration, and you can add some passwords to the router, and you can configure web access, remote access settings, and other settings here. This is a little complex for this video, and the general status here also. In this video we need only the DHCP server part, because our router will work as our DHCP server also, and the network mode is important for us for this video. Let's configure our SSID here, not here, in wireless tab. We can say that DF key 123. Copy this, save settings, and let's add PC here, and let's add wireless model also this PC. As you can see, it is connected to the first one because it's also the default SSID is default, and I'll change it. Yes, it's changed, and this PC now connected to the wireless router, as you can see. Here the important point is SSID. If you configure the same SSID with wireless router or access point with the wireless device, then they can connect. For this video, it's okay. In the following videos, we'll see more examples.